Welcome back, and we have something different today to do. Um, Somebody asked me if I can solder some chips on the board for them. 4 chips. PIC 33CK256. So these are 64 pin MCUs. So, must use vacuum paint for removing this device. So we've got 2 over here. And we have another 2 over here. And then we have some easy boards. Or breakout boards. Uh-oh. So this is 0.5mm pitch. And this is 0.8mm pitch. Let's see which side to use. But this should be quite an easy one to do. So let's get into it. Let's follow instructions. Vacuum paint. Uh-oh. Okay, that's a fail. Let's see if this pin pitch would work. Let's go under a microscope. It's be much easier doing it under a microscope. So let's just get these 2 chips away. Solder this, start up the soldering iron, and let's switch to the microscope. Let's see. Pin 1 is in the top corner, so let's just get this aligned so the numbers can match up. Is this the right pin pitch? It seems to be 0.5mm. So this looks good. Alright. So pin 1 should be this one over here. Just make sure. Yep. So normally this corner that is cut off should be pin 1. That aligned. Okay, so let's add a little bit of flux. Oops, that's way too much. And in the wrong spot, doesn't matter. Okay. So I'm just going to solder one pin down. Come on. Solder. What is going on? Chip aligned. Okay, let's just check all the other pins. Let's get another pin soldered down. Okay, that should be in position. So some track solder technique. Let's add some more flux in this. Always getting the last one. To release is always the fun part. Come on. Come on. Very close. Okay. This is Gibson solder. We can remove the excess solder. We won't use much. There you go. Done. That side is done. So let's see the next one. So a little bit soldered to the tip. Oops, the extra solder. Remove that last bit there. Come on. There we go. This is double check that we've got no loose pins on here. Need to all solder it nicely. Let's see the next one. This one will be much easier because we've got way longer pads. Right, let's double check these ones. Let's check it for any loose pins. That's good. And the last one. Okay. So if we have any loose pins that is not soldered down. You see, there we go. We have one there. Okay. Let's check again. Soldered, 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 soldered. Okay, so that's the drag solder way of doing it. Let's do one more. Let's go with a pin by pin soldering technique. To use a 0.5 mil round box. Alright. Let's do this one a different technique. Let's go a little bit of flux. And I'm going to use my micro pencil. Get this aligned. Get line, not really. Still a little bit skew. The pin is bent. It looks good. So let's hold this pin down here. There we go. Alright. Let's fix this little pin in the bottom. And now we can solder pin for pin. We'll always have a little bit more solder this way. And clean it up a bit. Oh, come on. You always add too much shoulder in this way, but it's not difficult to fix. Let's just fix this up. Add some more flux to it. Just fix those pins quickly. Alright, let's double check those pins. Looks good. Let's move on this side. Flux this side up. And we can do this side as well. We'll edit. My tip nice and clean. Yeah. Alright, let's have a look. Let's solve it. Solve it, solve it, solve it. Solve it, solve it, solve it, solve it. Okay. Next side. Yeah. Nice thing from the longer pads is that you can use the pads to wick the solder away. I think I'm going to do this the drag way as well. These longer pins are not easy to solder as the shorter little pins. Let's double check these. All good. And let's do the last side. Let's just fix that last pin. Yeah. And let's just double check those pins. The drag solder is way easier way of doing this. Right, so I'll do the other two off camera, and then I'll show you when I'm all done. Okay, so we're all done. All the boards are done. Just snap them in half. Thanks for watching. This is a little small filler video. I am busy with some other videos, so just bear with me. They are coming some out. We'll get to it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Cheers.